Botsheets uses AI to automatically send you leads directly to a Google Sheet. Here I've added the Botsheets app to Facebook. When a user messages my page, I'll get some basic profile data. Now, let's say I'm a real estate agent. I'm going to want to collect some information. So I just need to add what I want to collect in column headers like this. I'm going to want their location, the type of property, maybe I want to know how many bedrooms and bathrooms. I'm going to want to know if they want to buy, rent, or lease, and I'm going to want to know when. And I can just use natural language like this to describe the information I want to collect. Let's send another message. Looking to rent a condo in Florida for the winter. Let's go look at the sheet again. You can see how the data gets added. Now, as a real estate agent, I might need more specifics. Florida is a big state, and because they're looking to rent, I'm going to want to get a time period. So I can follow up with the prospect and ask them exactly where in Florida and when. And the user might reply like this, somewhere near Miami, please. And then in a separate message, they may reply with a specific time period. I'm thinking December 5th to April 30th. Let's look at the Google Sheet. I might build a chatbot to automate some of these conversations, but I can also just chat live. And Botsheets runs in the background to deliver me actionable lead data. Botsheets makes it easy to organize and sort conversations based on specific criteria. I can collaborate with a team on the data or securely share it with a client if I was hired to do their lead generation. Finally, I can easily get my data into virtually any CRM, analytics, or customer support system. It's lead generation powered by AI, and Botsheets makes it so easy.